Hello everyone, welcome to my page. Look at here. Oh wow. So after the carnival festival, now they are cleaning. Look at that RD4. That's name for Netherlands tagalinis ng kalsada. Meron ba tayo dito sa Pinas? Yeah, meron. So iba nga lang pangalan. So ganyan dito, ayan, nagva-vacuum na ang City Hall. Pagkatapos ng party, ayan po. Oh, vacuum ever. Ayan na. Tapos, I'm standing here in front of the rotunda. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. With our dog. Wow. Yes, that's it. Wow. Look how this is how it looks like here. Oh, carnival is over. Ayan na. Ayan po yung paligid dito. Oh, wow. Yes.